How to delete a playlist on Spotify. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete a playlist that you have created on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to basically go ahead and then delete a particular playlist on Spotify, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Spotify application here. Once you launch the Spotify app, you're going to see this type of interface where what you need to do is you need to tap the Your Library option from the bottom of the screen. Once you tap the Your Library option from the bottom of the screen here, what you want to do is you can just tap on playlist to find the playlist that you have. And to delete a particular playlist, just long press on it and then just tap the delete playlist option, or you can also open that playlist. If you are inside the playlist, tap the three dots option and then just tap on the delete playlist option over here. This way you'll be able to delete a playlist on Spotify. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.